What is going on, guys? Shifty here, bringing y'all another video. It is hot outside. Okay, I got some young boy blasting right now. Sorry about that. It's like 100 degrees outside, but it's 101. Feels even hotter. So as y'all can see, we got the Mustang. She's finally home. There it is. There she is right there. So she is an absolutely filthy girl, and we are gonna give her a complete bath today, even though it's hot as hell and I really don't want to be outside. But we're gonna give her a complete bath. Like I said, the only thing left that I have to do is I have the actual other two sets of wheels that we're gonna be replacing. I'm putting them up front. I just have to buy the tires. I plan on doing that later on this week. And then we have to get this thing realigned because it is absolutely horrible the way the alignment is on the car. But yeah, we're gonna give her a nice clean bath. She seems like she already has a pretty dark tint. So, and there are some minor things I have to get fixed on this car as well. The door, for example, there's a big gap right here, so it doesn't sit flush, and it has to do with the fender right here, so it's more noticeable in person. This gap is too big in my opinion. I'll have to get the emblems for the car as well. But I mean, she runs, she drives, she's just an absolutely filthy girl. I want to get the exhaust tips. I need to adjust them as well. I do have an actual reverse tail light for the car that we're going to be swapping out the bulbs. I have the Euros for the cars as well. I also am going to be switching out the side markers as well. Guys, I have a lot of stuff. I have the tail light, the Diode Dynamics tail lights, or the license plate lights as well. I have to do some pre-drilled holes in here for the license plate so that it can sit, because this is the reason why I got pulled over yesterday, because I didn't know that they weren't already pre-drilled. So I have to pre-drill those so that I can mount my license plate up here. This is one of the damages. If I haven't told y'all, go on and open up the trunk here. So from the body shop, I don't know how they damaged this, but I had noticed it and I was looking at some old pictures. So I had to get that figured out because they damaged that. But you can see that they completely just did not take care of this car whatsoever. She is absolutely filthy inside and out. Like I said, we will be replacing these. I might do them today, I might not entirely sure yet. But first thing is first, before I get started on any other mods, we are going to give her a wash and kind of go from there. So here's gonna be it should be a cold start. It's hot outside, so within normal volumes. She's loud for a good, 10-15 seconds, then she idles down. Now she's real quiet. So my neighbors aren't going to be super pissed, because like I said, I am running long tube American long tube headers and Corsa Sport. Sorry guys, I am sweating. I get hot so easily. I'm so hot natured, and it's hot with this heat stroke right now. And I do have a cold air intake. Basically the car is full bolt on. I have a tune on the car. I'm not on E85 just quite yet. I still have to do my whole data log and everything, so I have to get my tuner to send me over that whenever I get a chance to actually drive the car and do all that. So within the next few weeks I will be getting all of that said and done. But yeah guys, I mean, and I have to put the door thing, I have it in the trunk of the car. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move her and get started with giving her a bath, because she is in dire need of an actual bath. right, guys, so finally just got done washing and drying the car. She's not 100%, but for the most part she's at least clean. I will need to get a full detail inside and out. I'll have to see how to like get rid of, it looks like the sun just ate that up, but as you can see, it's so hot it was kind of hard to dry the car off fast without getting watermarks left over. But as of right now, I'm going to be changing out the license plate lights with the Diode Dynamics. I might possibly be changing these to the Euros. I have the Euros inside. I just have to see if I want to do that today or not. We're also going to be changing these little markers as well. Here I have some clear ones that light up white, like that bright white. You see, this is what I don't like right here, those little white marks. I hate those, guys. And then I'm also going to be trying to change out this reverse tail light to make it a fourth rear brake light, as well as the reverse light. It's supposed to be a brighter, it's the Diode Dynamics LED version. So that is what I'm going to be trying to tackle right now. But overall, here is the car. Oh, I forgot to add wheel shiner to tire shine to the car. But here she is, guys, in the sun. It's a beautiful color, honestly. It's a beautiful color. I still plan on getting the car like fully like ceramic coated, PPF. I don't know if I'll PPF the entire car. I'll have to see how much that's going to cost, because I know PPF isn't cheap. I also want to go darker. I definitely want to get the whole car retinted, because I don't know if this has any tint. I definitely know this has some tint. I don't even think you guys can even see inside of here. And then when I bought the car, I don't know about those birds right now. When I bought the car, it had some like little like ugly louvers over here. I honestly hate when people put that on here and then on the rears, honestly. So I ripped that off. And I think because he didn't have any tint on there, or okay, it says PGW tint tempered. I don't know, but regardless, yeah, still some like stuff. So I'll have to get like, yeah, like little stuff like this. So I'll definitely have to get this car detailed. I still need to get it waxed and buffed, but I was just tired of seeing it like super dirty, so I tried to just do like a little quick wash with the time that I've had, and to just kind of see just how she turned out. And I'll need to put this bumper on here, because there's a gap right here on this side, and there is no gap on this side. So but overall, that's what I'm going to be trying to knock out right now. So hopefully my GoPro doesn't overheat. I'll be able to record it. If not, it's fairly simple. Alrighty, guys, so I already went ahead and changed out the tail lights, not the tail lights, the license plate lights here. As you can see, we got both of those. It's really simple. You just get something in there, pop them out, it's good to go. Now we're gonna work on popping these guys out and then replacing those with these clear LED strips that I've had for ages. They're gonna be super bright at night. So popping this guy out, you just go underneath the bumper here and kind of just get a feel and just press. It's just hooked in by some little like kind of like push pins. And we're just gonna come in here, it's a little tab. Just gonna wiggle this guy out of here, just like so. Out with the old and in with the new one right there. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, she is popped in place. There we are. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. It's got a cold start. Alrighty, guys, so since I'm installing the reverse fourth brake light, it's having me tap into the tail light. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the tail lights and put the Euros on. So I already unscrewed 3 little screws. I just have to unplug this guy right here, and there she is. And if y'all don't know if y'all remember, but I went and picked these up all the way in Waco. Is it either Waco or Waxahachie? I had to pick them up because my car came originally with Euros, but apparently the bracket was damaged. So in order for them to mount it properly, the shop that I had it at told me that they needed me to go and pick up some new taillights. So rather than going back to the factory paying a buttload of money for just those when I knew I was gonna get Euros, found some cheap on Facebook Marketplace that were OEM stock. I think I paid maybe like I paid around $300 for them. Swapped them out, they put them on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the Euros on. I think my neighbors are hotboxing their car right now. I just see smoke coming out of it. That's what they always must do then. Anyways, I want to give a huge big shout out to Jared and the guys over at Lethal Performance for sending me these headlights. I got them at a little bit of a discount, but honestly these things are just pricey. Mirimoto, I think that's how you pronounce it. The sequential LED taillights. Don't know what that is. But there they are, guys. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get them installed. And just like that, guys, we have the Euros installed. Well, on that side. You can even see it's kind of like flickering in the camera. The OEM doesn't really flicker. Yeah, it flickers a little bit. I'll go ahead and I'll save that to the end to remove that. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this side. Just unscrew the 3 screws, remove the grommet, ever the wiring, put in the new one. It's good to go.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Satisfying. Euros are installed officially. Out with the old, in with the new. Sick. And we got those. Alrighty guys, well that is gonna do it for today's video. We did a lot. I still have a ton more stuff to do to the car. So as y'all saw, we installed the side marker LED lights. We installed the Dial Dynamics, or it's either Dial Dynamics or Morimoto, one of the two. The license plate lights. We also installed the 4th rear brake light. I didn't get it wired up properly. The reverse light works, but the 4th brake light, because it's supposed to be a mixture between both, I didn't wire it up. When it comes to electrical work, I honestly hate it and I suck at it. Figured out how to wire up the Euro, so those were installed. So those were all the installations that we did today. I still have the oil catch can that I need to install, and I have some other factory parts that I need to install on the car as well. And then after that, I'm pretty much have everything that I had bought for the car pretty much installed on the car. After that, it's just going to be trying to get in contact with the tuner, which I emailed him today. He never responded back, so hopefully I'll hear back tomorrow in regards to being able to data log the car. I won't really be able to do anything data logging wise until I get my wheel and tire set up, which will be coming later on this week, about Thursday or Friday I want to say. Then I'll have to get the car aligned because the alignment on that car is just so messed up. Oh, also we drilled in the holes for the license plate so that it sits so that I don't get pulled over, because that's originally why I got pulled over last night, was because I had the plate, the car's under my name, but because I didn't have the holes pre-drilled, I didn't know that I had to pre-drill them as I was trying to put on the plate. So I had to just rock with it in the car, and you know, just my luck, of course, I got pulled over. Thankfully, the cops were nice, so I just got away with little warning, and you know, we're gonna kind of go from there. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and do me a huge favor. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we have big things coming. And leave a comment down below as to what you guys want to see next, what you guys maybe have envisioned for the Mustang. Let me know, comments down below. All right. Aside from that, I will catch you on the next one, and remember to always keep shifting forward.
Yeah, feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.